You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in English. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you in English. Stalagmite is the British English pronunciation. Stalagmites. Stalagmites. In American English, however, the pronunciation is as stalagmites. Stalagmites, with a stress on the second syllable this time. Stalagmites. Therefore, it's pronounced the pronunciation in English. There are two correct pronunciations: stalagmites or stalagmites. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.